Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS NACLs for subnet-level security. To enable AWS NACLs for subnet-level security, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the VPC dashboard from the Services menu. Select the Network ACLs option from the left side panel. Click on the Create Network ACL button to start the creation process. Enter a meaningful name for your NACL for easy identification. Choose the VPC where you want the NACL to be associated. Click on the Create button to proceed with the creation. Once the NACL is created, it will automatically generate an inbound and outbound rule set. To edit these rules, select your newly created NACL from the list. Go to the Inbound Rules tab. Click on the Edit Inbound Rules button to configure rules for incoming traffic. Add rules based on your specific requirements, defining the rule number, type, protocol, port. After setting up your inbound rules, save your changes. Next, move to the Outbound Rules tab. Click on the Edit Outbound Rules button to define rules for outgoing traffic. Similar to the inbound rules, specify the rule number, type, protocol, port range, and destination. Ensure the outbound rules align with your security requirements and save your changes. Now, associate the NACL with your desired subnets. Go to the Subnet Associations tab within your NACL settings. Click on Edit Subnet Associations. Select the subnets you wish to associate with the NACL. Confirm your selections and save the associations. Finally, verify the rules are working as expected by testing the traffic flow to and from your subnets. Ensure that your applications are functioning correctly based on the NACL configurations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.